Well, this is the monitor I dropped, so I don't know if this one's gonna work or not. Okay, so pretty much this week, everything is turning into a mess. I had to go back to the Home Depot and get my tops for my counters. I had to pull this shelf down off the front. My last piece of plywood, hopefully for next week, I will have painted and put into this storage closet so I can run my air hose through the ceiling all the way into this part of the garage and down this wall here where my air line's gonna be here. I fixed my dad's old bench grinder, replaced the stones with wire wheels. I needed a wire wheel grinder, so there'll be a video on that. Blew the breaker twice, rigging the switch up in that. The garage is coming along. It's just the temperature's dropped here, and the door, the roll-up door, we were going to put in the roll-up door, the automatic roller garage door opener, but I've decided to wait on that. There's just too much going on. Then I got my monitor system set up for my workbench so I can have a computer in here. I'm going to build another computer so I can have computer access out here, so I get wiring diagrams to schematics to YouTube. These are the wood bench tops that I ordered for all my cabinets. Anyway, yeah, so this week has kind of just been a little bit of everything. I've got 2 more tools that I'm going to set up. I've got a drill press and a Dremel mount over here, and I should have never have dragged all my ceiling rails into the garage because I am so far out from mounting this ceiling. It's unbelievable. It's getting to the point where I have just got a bunch of little stuff to do. Setting these computer monitors up in the garage is going to be a complete nightmare to run all the wires. I've got to take this entire wall system out of the wall and run them into this side of the cabinet for power because I'm short on power, because I'm short on space. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it's a lot of work. I picked up another vise that matches my small vise off of Craigslist. It's in pretty good shape. The teeth on the vise are pretty wore down, but that's okay because I'm not going to be using this vise for a whole lot besides just little stuff, and it's going to go on the workbench back to the other room. So just slow progress. It's just, you know, week after week, time after time, you only have so much time. So yeah, soon, you know, the whole goal here is to be, I was wanting to be running by February, but it's not going to happen. So I'll just keep you updated, but I'm really excited about getting the computer stuff set up in here. So I'm out of here.